Hey guys, this is Jatin with Rockroad. This is a quick video to decode how exactly I generated around 27 plus qualified demos with C-level executives in a month and how I generated around $50,000 plus annual revenue. If I can do it, you can also do it. Let's see how exactly I did it. First of all, I built a buyer-oriented LinkedIn profile based on the need of my buyers. Then I basically get a skyrocket up in terms of the profile views that I'm getting, and also I generated a lot of inbound leads as well. And then I followed the principle of consultative selling, where instead of throwing product pitches or selling scripts like this, I followed some specialized messages to get response rate, insane response rate from the C-level executives to schedule a demonstration call of my company's product or services. And then I put everything on automation. I didn't even did a single connection request manually. This is what I did. I extracted thousands of leads of my target audience from LinkedIn, and then I put them on connection message sequences, and then I push them auto follow up messages and also push them bulk messages in their LinkedIn inbox. Let me show you practically as well. This is what I did in terms of auto lead generation. First of all, I defined my target audience to LinkedIn in terms of HR director or HR manager, and then I basically put this as second degree connection who are basically not connected with me, and then I copied this particular search URL. Here I would like to emphasize one more thing. You need not to have LinkedIn Premium or Sales Navigator in order to do anything like this. And then basically I extracted a Google sheet like this where I have all my target audience. Then I put them on connection automation. Basically put them on connection messages like picking their first name and then picking their job title. Now this is something that I am doing from past couple of months now. This is giving me insane result in terms of automation, connection automation. This is something that takes a lot of time and we are doing this automatically. Then as a next step, post they basically accept a connection request, then we're gonna send them some consultative messages in order to generate some interest to get secondary level calls. Now again, not every prospect gonna respond to you, hence we need to just focus on those leads who are basically responding to us. Because we are doing this everything automatically, this is taking saving basically a lot of time for us, where we basically what we initially used to do, we used to send these sort of messages individually, and this takes a lot of time. This is something which we have automated. Now this is something you can expect the response rate. If you can see here, this person actually responded to my third message asking for a demonstration session, and this is was something which I did. And then again, here's another message where this person again shared his credentials in order to have a demonstration session. These are all the C-level executives. If I show you their profile, these are basically the HR senior director of a company. So this is an insane sort of result that I am getting post doing everything automatically. Now here is a quick evidence. I basically extracted around 5,919 connection, out of which I have invited around 537. I have basically sent them auto connection message. I'm getting insane connection acceptance ratio of around 85 to 90%. 178 replies I have got in terms of scheduling secondary level discussions, and I've sent around 920 messages. Now this is something which is automatically, all I need to do is to focus on these 178 replies instead of these 920 messages. Okay, now we have enough inbound leads who would like to have a look at our product, have a look at our services. We need a CRM where we can basically maintain their record, we can save their contact, we can email them, we can put our notes, we can set tasks or calendars, we can basically schedule meetings with them, we can basically call them, everything from a single CRM, that too free of cost. And then we're gonna put them on email sequences as well, because sometimes prospect says, what, yes, the product is good, but currently we don't have requirement. Why not we connect after 2 months? Why not we connect after 3 months? Hence we're gonna put those sort of prospects on email sequences so that they should start getting reminder emails from us after every 2 months, 3 months automatically. We're gonna only focus on the inbound leads, hot leads who are basically in the market to purchase our product or services. In short, I would be your sales BD consultant who gonna help you in order to build a LinkedIn profile that's a buyer oriented, gonna help you in consultative sales pitches in terms terms of message templates, gonna help you in doing everything automatically, be it in the form of lead generation, connection requests, message sequences. Now we have inbound leads, we're gonna store them in a CRM so that we can have a good track record. We're gonna put them on email sequences, hence this gonna help us to deal closure and revenue generation. Best thing is you'll be spending $0. You need not to have LinkedIn Premium or Sales Navigator. You need not to spend anything on the tools that I'm gonna discuss. These are free of cost. All you need to do is to visit the website rockgrow.com/LinkedIn Pro Sales Workshop, or you can visit rockgrow.com, then click in here recorded workshop and then LinkedIn Pro Sales Workshop. You can review the content again if you would like. Otherwise, click here register now. You would be presented with this particular page. All you need to do is to fill in your contact details in terms of the user credential, then fill up your debit card or credit card number, and then hit submit and check out. This is something that is protected by global sign, and then you can basically get a protection of Stripe as well. STRIPE. I'm using their server in terms of my payment, hence these are 100% secured payment. I'm also trying to bring in the UPI payment, the net banking and wallet payment in this basically checkout page. Currently we only have the debit card or credit card type of payment acceptance. Again, if you have any question, click in here, submit your query, and we will be getting back to you in no time. I am promising you guys, you would be able to generate 27 qualified demos, $50,000 plus annual revenue. If I can do it, you can also do it. All you need to do is to take the first step and register for this workshop.